Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two stocks from the portfolio of Citigroup Global Markets Mauritius Private Limited. For those of you who do not know, Citigroup Capital Markets Mauritius is a well-known FII. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is L&T Finance Holdings Limited, which is available at Rs 122.30 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Citigroup in this particular company is 2.90%. The symbol for it is L&TFH. Now L&T Finance Holdings Limited is a non-banking financial institution core investment company. The company's segments include retail and mid-market finance. It offers a range of financial products and services across retail, corporate, housing and infrastructure finance sectors, as well as mutual fund products and investment management services. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been a laggard and no major wealth has been created here. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 24,445.48 crores. The EPS of 10.60 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 11.60 when compared to the industry PE of 32.57. The price to book ratio of 1.94 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 0.82%, whereas the promoter holding stands at 63.96%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. The second stock on the list, and a surprising one at that, is City Networks Limited, which is available at Rs 3.35 and the face value for it is 1. The holding for Citigroup in this particular company stands at 1.42%. The symbol for it is SITINET. Now, City Networks Limited, formerly City Cable Network Limited, is a holding company. The company is a multi-system operator which is engaged in providing cable television network services, internet services, and also allied services. The company is engaged in the business of distribution of signals of television channels of various broadcasters. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been a consistent underperformer for the entire year. The market cap of the company is 292.14 crores. Which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS and price to earnings ratio are blank as this company does not make any profits. The book value of 3.66 translates into a price to book ratio of 0.92, which is cheap. The industry PE is 25.28. Now, one very concerning factor is that even though the promoter holding is good at 72.23%, overall 59.57% of the company is pledged. The company also does not pay out any dividends. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.